Hey guys, today is Wednesday. I had to run and get gas. We're in a bit of a snowstorm. We ain't running today. We're supposed to be getting like over a foot of snow here. I'm in town right now, so I'm gonna go check this out. Oh boy. Fuck. Okay, we are in town. I had to stop and get gas. We're supposed to get 12 to 18 inches of snow. I gotta give you guys a ride what I'm going through here. And these windshield wipers are fogging up. So yeah. Might have to clean the dang windshield wipers off once I get to town. Made my trek to town. Now my 4 miles back to home to yeah, Lord, we're just gonna make a mess on the video. But, yeah, make my 4 miles back to home. See how good they plowed this. No, we're not gonna go there. They're plowing the middle of the street down there. Hey, at least the snowmobile trails are open here. All the schools are closed, canceled for today. Was kind of waiting. I called text one of my loaders. I said, we have late trailers coming in. And she goes, yeah. She goes, you better not be messaging me. I said, why? She goes, because your loader is having butt hurt because you're messaging me, not her. I said, well, she's not online, so whatever. And she finally came online and I had to talk to her, calm her down a little bit. Oh, my cupcakes, I don't know about them. Anyways, we'll make the trek back. They kind of did a half-ass plow on the county road here. We'll see how they are on the major highway 29. The traffic looked like it wasn't moving much and we were standstill. Maybe I should stop and get my mail. Be a nice person. Nah, piss on it. I'm gonna snow blow anyways, so. My neighbor, my buddy, came over and snow plowed the driveway. He was like, that way it's easier to plow the second round. I said, that's fine. So I'll snow blow most of it and then he said I'll come later on. He'll let me know when he's gonna come plow later on. So he had his little guy with him. He had to take him to daycare. He said on his way to daycare he'd come plow me out. It's all drifted. Woohoo! Here we go. I'm not sure what you guys can see down there, but yeah, that's 29. One lane's passable, the other one's not. Looks like this one. One lane is plowed, the other lane is not. I know when I was into town, the northbound lane was plowed, southbound lane isn't. So I'm not going too fast. About 35 miles an hour. So they told us we weren't going to run. They weren't going to have us deliver because when I talked to one of the loaders today, she's like, yeah, I said, when is the truck coming in? She goes, well, the first truck, the closest truck is Hancock, which is an hour away. And that was at 6:30 this morning. And she's like, no, it's 6 o'clock this morning. So Hancock is the first one, is the closest trailer. I said, okay. At 20 after 7, she's like, oh, guess what? The trailer just got here. I was like, oh, okay. and my boss says like, well, you guys ain't running delivery today. We decided we're not going to run delivery. We'll let you know on pickups. So I get a call about half an hour ago or so. Yeah, we're not doing pickups either. Really? No kidding. If we ain't going to run freight, I'm not going down south on an empty truck just to get pickups. I want some weight in my truck so I'm not, all over the road. So this isn't bad. I mean, one lane is kind of plowed, but not going that fast. So I don't know. See what's going on when you get home. I did. He was plowing when I left. I told him I'd move my truck. I told him I'd leave her truck there. I'd snow blow around it and move it and whatever and whatnot. The kid tried shoveling. I said, I'm going to get gas for the snow blower. Don't worry about it. You're just going to be a helpful person, but you're just not. You're not going to do nothing with this blowing and shit like this. So yeah, lovely times. So I've got to charge that battery. It was starting to die. So here's your, there's only a minute, not even that. Figured give you guys a little perspective on how it is, where I live. I guess the grader came through about an hour ago. Yeah, about an hour ago it came through. And they were using graders down this road. The ones out of the west, out of the east, sorry, northeast. So it'll be a lot of drifting. Looks like it's starting to drift already on these roads. Oh yeah, fun times. So that was only a 4.2 mile trip. We're almost home. Another mile or so. My buddy Kyle and Wyatt, the ones that fish with me, he has to run to Green Bay for a conference today. When the wife got home, I said, I wonder if Kyle went to Green Bay today. She's like, well, he had the truck, so I'm sure he's heading to Green Bay. I'm going to probably message him a little bit and ask him if he's running to Green Bay or not. But it's not too bad out. I mean, it is, but it isn't. As long as you get the main roads plowed, to be fine. But right now we have about 6-7 inches on the ground from last night. So we're supposed to get another 7 more inches of snow. Yep. Lovely. A lot of people ain't. You can tell the plow came through. Last night, my buddy Cole's house here. Last night I snow blowed the end of the driveway because they had a big burr or a big mountain in front of my driveway. So my buddy Cole came over. He came through and he's like, "You want me to push?" I said, "Nah, I'll just get the end of the driveway with the snowblower and fucking." I said, "We'll just wait till tomorrow and then we'll just deal with it tomorrow." He's like, "Okay." So we'll see how much. He just left. So I don't know if the damn plow hit my mailbox again. Maybe. No, that's just it. Oh, bossy, oh. Yeah. That's just today's mound. Holy cow. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I should snow blow once, and then that way it'd be less. I don't know. So, we're home. Ooh, yep. That's why. Ooh, not the other way. Yeah, so it ain't too bad. He got it pretty well taken care of in the driveway. I think I'm gonna take the snowblower and back up here a little bit. the snow blew most of this stuff out of here. And I told them to push this stuff closer to the trees. I mean, I don't care where it's at, as long as it's out of my way. We turn around. So I'll keep you guys. I'll probably do a double length video on this stuff today. Since I'm off all day, I might as well do a video. Alrighty then. We'll talk to you guys in a little while. Not sure if you guys can see this, but that's about, I don't know, 8 inches there. I snow blowed the whole area where we park our trucks. And my buddy came and plowed this morning. He's got a good bank going on. Maybe he can build a fort. I'm sure he can build a fort on that thing. Anyways, it's only 9:30 here. I'm gonna probably give it till, I don't know, 2-3 o'clock. See what we're at. I'm gonna shovel a little bit here so I can get a measurement again. So, on that note, I'll talk to you guys in a while.